Hello, my name is Ben Baird. We're out here at Baird Brothers Sawmill today in Canfield, Ohio. Today we're going to be talking about the two main differences between MDF and our finger jointed material that we make here at Baird Brothers Sawmill. So this is the MDF and then this is our finger jointed material. We just take little short pieces of wood and rejoin them together to create a beautiful piece of molding that you can put up in your house and paint. Just so you can see the back of that, that's what the MDF would look like on the back side. So here I'm going to show you two pieces of baseboard. On the top is the MDF product, on the bottom is our finger jointed product that we make at Baird Brothers here. So once again, I'll slide this product off so you guys can see the strength difference in the two. So as you can see, the MDF is very flimsy. When you hold it flat, very, very flimsy, not a very strong product. If you grab our finger joint baseboard, you're not going to see that. Very, very durable, very strong, very well put together. So now that we discussed the durability of both, I'd like to touch on price point a little bit. They say on average to trim out a 2,000 square foot house, it costs about $600 more to use my finger jointed material compared to this MDF product. Now just real quick, just to show you guys, like I said, this is crown right here. I don't know about you, but if I'm hanging crown on my own, this is pretty easy to hold over my head and work with. Now, if I'm by myself and I take this piece and try to hang it, I'm gonna have a heck of a time doing that on my own. Our finger joint material is definitely worth the money. It's a great product. Like I said, it's not junk wood that we're making this product with. It's just simply cut-offs that have not made it through with the rest of the lumber that we're simply sending back through a finger joiner, gluing them together, and making a beautiful, beautiful piece of molding for your home. So the last thing I want to show you guys here today is the difference in strength between the two. I'm just simply going to go ahead and try to break the finger joint and try to break the MDF, and we'll see which one breaks easier or if they even break. So we'll start with the finger jointed baseboard. I'll see if I can break it real quick. So we were able to break it, but let's see if we're able to break this MDF. That was quite a bit easier than the finger jointed material was. I guess you could see how much better our product is, how much stronger it is. It's far superior than the industry standard. You saw how easy it was for me to break that MDF compared to the finger joint material. I strongly encourage you guys to jump on our website, check our product out, read about our product, learn about it. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call. We ship all 50 states and service all of Canada. So with all that being said, thank you very much for watching and enjoy your day.